Dogman chapter the first. Recall to duty. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Hey everybody, we're in the news. And it's a good story this time. Look, I can't wait to show Dogman. Hey, where is Dogman? Choo choo choo. Dogman, oh Dogman. No, wait. No, stop, get off. Quit it, bad doggy. How many times have we talked about this? That is no way for a cop to behave. I'm getting tired of this. Tired. Hey, Chief, didn't you the one to show Dogman the news? Oh, yeah. You look, we're here because we saved the world from Flippy. Lick. They hear that scientists are going to study Flippy's brain. Dogman, I have an important job for you. I'm putting you in charge of security. Who want to protect the scientist? Who's a good protector? Who want to protect and survive? Go protect them. Gee, Chief, are you sure that was a good idea? Sure, I'm sure. Why not? Well, Flippy is a dead fish. Remember how Dogman liked to roll around in dead fish? He never did anything like that. Dogman is a good doggy. Clunk. Chapter the second. You've got be kidding me. Meanwhile, oh boy, today is my birthday and Warren gave me all of those balloons. Here one for you, Tippy, and here one for you, Fluffy, and here's one for you, Mrs. Whisker. Respects. Hey, Petey, look, Petey, pop. Wow. Hey, Big Jim, wait up. No, you're mean. I'll come on that man. That was just a little joke. Go away. Oh, don't be mad. I got you a present and everything. You did? Sure, I did. I burned in that sandbox over there. Really? Yeah. Hey, I'll hold your balloon for you while you dig up. Gee, thanks. Oh boy, I wonder what he got me. Oh, I think I found something. Ew, gross. Helmet laughed. Boy, this place is dumb. I need to get a new butler. Someone who thinks like me and acts like me and has a richer soul like me. I've got it. And so tick tack. 2, 3 days later. Ding dong. Give me. Please sign here. Slam. Ow. Step 1. Insert data into DNA chut. Twing. Step 2. Press the start button. Ding. Step 3. Open door to retrieve your clone. Flip. Papa, I'm not your papa. You're my clone. Wah. I want my whisker back. Wah. I want my money back. I want my life back. Chapter the third. The $6,000 fish.